Hello friends, how are you? It's me, Alfredo. Today we're gonna be replacing rear brakes and rotors in this 2011 Ford Fusion. So I'm just gonna try to make it as quick as possible, so just follow me, okay? Alright, if you're gonna be doing this like in the ground or something, just make sure, jack the car up and put some jack stands under the car, okay? Never work just on the jack. Okay, now getting the wheel caps. Then the tire, you want to grab it like with your back straight, you don't want to hurt your back. So this, be careful. $14mm bolts for the caliper. Now you get a decent size flat screwdriver, put it down here and start prying out, and it just comes right out like that, see? Just put it, out of the way. Make sure, your pins, your slide pins are not seized in, that they move. All right, there, seems good. Now you pry out the brake pads. See how thin they were? Almost gone, this one. Okay friends. Now, in order to get the rotor out, we need to take the caliper bracket out. So to take the caliper bracket, we need to take this bolt right here. It's gonna be 2 bolts. They're gonna be 13mm. Gonna be this one right here and this one right here, okay? This one and this one. The problem is that this one, kind of like the control arm, is on the way, but there is a hole where you can go through here. You can see you can go through here, see? You can stick like a socket with a extension through here. And then the other one is pretty much, there is space here to work on, okay? So let's do that. I got an extension, 13mm socket, 3/8 ratchet. See, I'm just gonna go through here and it kind of pops in by itself, see? Okay friends, now that we got the caliper bracket out, we're gonna take the rotor out, but you can see the rotor's got 2 bolts that hold it in place to the hub. So those bolts, usually they are really rusted and seized in there. So what I like to do is that I grab a T40 bit and then put it in the bolt and then give it some, knock it in. All right. Okay. Next one. Two. Okay. So the rotor is usually a little bit stuck to the hub all the time because of the rust. So I like using my hammer. Put it out. See? Nice and easy, bro. Nice and easy. There you go. So now I'm gonna clean a little bit, you know, like the area where the speed sensor is. See right there is the ABS speed sensor. The brake caliper. Put a pan in the floor so that you don't get, you know, all that stuff in the floor. Okay, friends, now we're gonna service the brake caliper bracket. So what we wanna do, if you got one of these vise, you put it in the vise, right? Take the hardware out. Okay. You wanna clean it, a little brake cleaner. So what I like to do, I like to grab a small metal brush and then brush it right here where the hardware sits, and also here where the rotor goes through. Both sides. Remember, it's very important that the hardware sits properly on the bracket, because that's pretty much what makes sometimes it makes noise, it makes like squealing noises. It's gonna be most of the time it's gonna be these guys right here, the hardware rubbing against the rotors. Okay, now, very important, you always, when you're servicing your brakes, you always wanna lubricate these light pins, see? So I got some brake lubricant. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here. Put it back in. So we got the brand new rotor already been cleaned. You see where the 2 bolts go? You got 2 openings here. So you gotta just match them. This. See? Now, if you had your hands dirty with grease or something, you wanna clean your rotor, because that dirt, that grease could get into the new brake pads and contaminate them. So be very careful. Always try to clean your hands when you're putting new parts. Okay, now we're gonna put back the caliper bracket. You just put it in position. See if we can do this. Screw opening. Okay, now that we got the hardware in position, yeah, you want to make sure, you know, watch out that the hardware is not rubbing against the new rotor. All right, now we're gonna put the new brake pads. Okay, put just a tiny bit right here where the brake pads are gonna slide. Don't put too much, just a tiny drop like that. All right, now we're gonna slide them in. Just like this. Okay, now we got the new brake pads in position. Now we're gonna slide the caliper on top of them. All right, now that we got the caliper in position, you know, new brake pads, new hardware, grease, new rotor. Now we're gonna put the caliper bolts back on. Okay, friends, there you have it. Brand new brake rotors, brand new brake pads, brand new hardware, service the brake caliper, service the brake caliper slide pins. That's it. All right, if you like the video, please give us some likes, some thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this job or about this car, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.